Yo people, welcome to the set where today we're gonna do a little something different. Today we're gonna talk about the Samsung Galaxy S24, one of the newest flagship phones from Samsung. Is it worth the $999 price tag? Let's find out. The Galaxy S24 Plus is the middle child of the S24 lineup, sitting in between the smaller S24, but the larger S24 Ultra. It sits right in the middle. It has a 6.7-inch AMOLED Quad HD display with a refresh hertz ratio from 1 to 120 hertz. Yep, the display is bright, it's sharp, smooth, and it supports HDR10 Plus for enhanced colors and contrast. The design of the S24 Plus is sleek. It's elegant with a metal frame and a glass back that comes in various colors. I opted for the purple. The phone also sports an IP rating of IP68, which is water and dust resistant, and it has Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for extra durability. Now, the camera modules on the back houses 3 cameras, a 50 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom. The front camera is a 12 megapixel selfie which sits in a punch hole cutout at the top in the center of the screen. Now, the main selling point of the S24 Plus is the Galaxy AI features that Samsung has introduced. Google Pixel. Samsung has went out of their way to incorporate these smart and intuitive AI features to enhance the user experience. There's an AI translator which could translate text and speech in real time. There also is an AI photo editor which you can apply various filters and adjustments to your photos. The performance of the S24 Plus is also super impressive thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor for Galaxy that powers the phone, and it delivers fast and smooth performance for multitasking, gaming, and streaming. The phone also comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM in either a 256 configuration or a 512 storage configuration. Now the battery is nothing to snuff at either. At 4,900 milliamp hours, that's enough to last you a whole day if you're a heavy user like me. But if it doesn't, you got 45 watt wired charging and 15 watt wireless charging and reverse charging to charge your other devices on the go. The software of the S24 Plus is based on Android 14 with Samsung's One UI on top. Now that interface is super clean and customizable, and it offers lots of features to tweak. Samsung also promises 7 years of OS updates for S24 Plus, which is a great incentive for those folks who like to keep their phones a long time, unlike me. So, is the Galaxy S24 Plus worth buying? I think it is, especially if you're looking for a premium phone that has a lot of features and a long battery life. To top that, it offers a lot of value for its price. And it can compete with the best phones out on the market right now. I dumped my iPhone 15 Pro, so you already know. But if you're looking for something extra ultra, you can get the S24 Ultra, which has a slightly bigger screen, a better camera array, and that S Pen. But for most people, the 24 Plus is probably going to satisfy their needs and then some. That's it for the video today, man. Thanks for watching. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, my channel, so you can catch me with more tech reviews, more sneaker reviews, and anything else we can get our hands on. I'm your boy Money Matt from the set. Gone.